month, I was in Beijing, China for the launch of the Meizu 16th and 16th Plus phones. And boy, those were some fine devices. Well, today, Meizu launched a new mid-range version of the 16 series, the Meizu 16X. Here, I'll share my unboxing and first impressions in a slightly different style video than usual, but hope to certainly cover all the bases and get you ready for our full review to come soon. My name is Adam, I'm a tech editor for Gizmo China. Let's get to it. Meizu has included the basics, and pretty much just that, in the understated square black Meizu 16X box. We got the phone, a seriously fast charger, a USB-C cable, a Flyme styled SIM card ejector, and some paperwork. Overall, fairly simple and straightforward, no dongle needed as the 16X includes a 3.5mm audio jack. The relatively compact size, while having a 6-inch screen, is only possible due to the minimal bezels. The Meizu 16X is 151.2 millimeters tall, 73.6 millimeters wide, and a minute 7.5 millimeters deep. And it only weighs 154 grams, so using the phone feels great. The 6-inch Super AMOLED screen has a 1080 by 2160 pixel resolution with a pixel density of about 403 ppi. Meaning you shouldn't be seeing any pixels in general use, which is something that I can certainly appreciate. The Meizu 16X continues the 16 series button layout with the power and volume rocker on the right side and a dual SIM card tray on the left. Sorry y'all, there is no expandable memory there. The top of the device has an active noise cancellation microphone, while the bottom has a 3.5mm audio jack, the main microphone, a USB-C port, and the speaker. Unfortunately, it seems Meizu is only using the bottom speaker on the 16X, as opposed to the dual setup on the 16th and 16th Plus. If you're enjoying this first impression video of the Meizu 16X, make sure to press the like button. We'd love to hear your thoughts on if you prefer this phone compared with other mid-range devices as well. Please leave your comments below and subscribe to the Gizmo China channel for more smartphone and tech goodness. One of the biggest places where there's a difference between the 16th and the 16X is the chip hardware. The 16th and 16th Plus have the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845 chip, whereas the 16X is the new Snapdragon 710 that uses the flagship spec 10nm process. The device comes with a 6GB of RAM with either 64 or 128GB storage, and with these specs actually push the Antutu score to a pretty fine score of 167,058. I did play a lot of games with the Meizu 16X, and even with games like PUBG at max resolution, which was the recommended setting for this device, by the way, the phone didn't heat up at all. It didn't slow down, even after hours of use.
Now this has an all aluminum frame and back. This is not glass like you get on the 16th, but it's still nice. It feels good. It's not slippery, really. It's not gummy or anything, but it's nice. The flash is that same 6-splash LED circular dealio, which is nice. It has the same swiping system as the 16th, which is pretty cool. You can swipe from left, right, or bottom and get the same multitasking, which is pretty good. I like it a lot. I like the animations. Let's go to the gallery real quick. Take a photo of the dog. Notice it says AI dual camera. The AI did a pretty good job. I like this picture. I think it's pretty good. Looks really nice there as well, I think. I'll show the actual image on screen. This is it using a 4.3. And there's a little selfie action. You can see the difference. You can really see the difference. There's the regular, and there's the selfie. Did a really good job, I think, actually. It's easy with my bald head, but you get it.
As with its higher-tuned brothers, Meizu tried real hard to fulfill most casual shooters with a 12-megapixel f1.8 Sony IMX380 camera sensor, which is actually one of the larger mobile sensors out there. And then they paired it with a 20-megapixel f2.6 IMX350 also from Sony. The front selfie camera is a 20 megapixel f2.0 camera with ArcSoft AI Intelligent Beauty Mode, which seems to finally make sense. Well, there's quite a bit for me to look into on the camera side, so make sure to check out our full review coming out soon. I'll tell you what, just like its 16th Big Brothers, I really like this device. I know it's got a lesser processor and lesser RAM, but I barely felt any difference. Another slow clap for me for the Meizu 1616X. Make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so that you can know when the full review comes out. In the full review, we're going to make sure to include more spec information, give you finer detailed overviews, pricing, and our use opinions. Additionally, please comment below if there are any phones you'd like us to compare the Meizu 1616X to. Well done, Meizu. Well done.